guys, namaste, I'm Itchya Karki and I am your D-Expert for today. And this is the second episode of our D-Expert videos, and today I'm bringing you this amazing look. Yo look today, because it's bridal season, as you guys know, and obviously parties or it's not jaile pani time hudaina, you go to a salon or get somebody else to do your makeup. So this simple routine will help you look fabulous at any party during bridal season. So if you're interested to watch this look, keep on watching this video. So I'm starting with my eyebrows. I'm using this really cute brow tamer eyebrow kit from Technique, and this is from Lavish Me. So first I'm gonna comb my eyebrow hair. Jaile pani afno eyebrow korne belama jaile pani upward motion ma garnus. Now I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm gonna now define my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain, and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna take a little and then I'm gonna start drawing mero tyo eyebrows ko outline. So instead of an eye primer, I always end up using a concealer because it's not comfortable laksa, but to each their own. If you feel comfortable using a primer, you do that. But I'm just gonna do this. Then I'm going to use my beauty blender and I'm just going to start blending this concealer. So after I'm done with my concealer, I always like to add a little bit of just ekdamai thore amount of foundation just on my eyelids. I just like the way it looks. My eyelids are light bhanda pani alikiti sakto bhar आफ्नै skin tone katiko मन पर्छ. So I'm just going to take a very little of this foundation from Fit Me, and this is also from Obsession Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 125 Nude Beige, I know. So I have my blender liiरहेको छु, and I'm just gonna dab it on my eyelids. Makes the skin tone brighter around my eye area. Maferi with the Technique brow palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do some touch up in areas where the concealer might have gotten. Alright. So now, moving on, I'll move towards Miro eyeshadow, and today I'm using this Wet n Wild palette from Obsession Cosmetics. But today I'm gonna incorporate the shade Purple and then create a very subtle day look. So I'm gonna move ahead. So ye palette, I'm taking the lightest shade and I'm just patting on my eyelids. Now I'm gonna take this really nice orangey brown deeper shade, and I'm gonna place it at the back. Your eyebrows ko sab on the end ma. Your eyes like depth diras, okay? So I'm just creating some depth. Now I'm taking this darker brown color and I'm just placing it below it. Now I'm just using a transition color and I'm just bringing it to the front. Next, I'm using my favorite color, which is purple. अहिले winter ko time pani chaliरहेको छ, so I want something that is like alikiti wintry fall colors, so something like plum or purple is a really good shade. And you can see it already warms up my eyes. It kind of like my skin tone sanga, my eyes or somewhere it really matches well. Now I'm gonna take the darker brown. I'm just gonna place it at the end and I'm just gonna gel them together so that they look really nice. So you can see it creates this really nice warm effect. Now I'm just gonna take the brush and blend together. Alright, so I'm done with my base eyeshadow look. Now the next thing is, because I'm doing a look for a Nepali wedding, obviously our favorite thing is gajal. Everybody loves to wear gajal in Nepal, so I'm just gonna apply some gajal, and first I'm gonna tight line it. So tight line gaepachi, the product I'm actually using for my eyes is the Flory Roberts Black Magic, and this is a waterproof automatic eye pencil, and this is from Saisa Beauty. Alright. So you can see the gajal looks really dark. Now my same thing, I'm going to apply it my top lid ma pani. I'm just going to just tag on a little bit matre, and I'm just going to start applying it. And I'm going to take the smudger end isko and I'm just going to start blend garnalai. Alright, so I'm done. I've applied it at the base and the top, and my smudger end smudge gareko chu. Next thing is, I'm going to use the CMB ko mascara from Saisa. And you can see the packaging is really pretty and very elegant. So now I'm just going to take this and mascara on the eyes now. So to finish up my eye look, I'm using this really amazing lashes from UMF from Genuine Collection, and you can see the lashes are heavy. So because it's so heavy, I'm just going to trim them a little bit and then I'm going to apply them. So now I'm going to apply my lashes. So now I'm done with the lashes. I'm going to now use the primer, which is the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. Take a little bit and I'm going to massage this on my face. Now I'm going to use my foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 125 Nude Beige, and I'm going to apply it all over, and this is from Obsession Cosmetics as well. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Co Concealer, and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. Okay, now I'm gonna use this airspun powder to set my under eyes, and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna take a little with my eyes. Moving on, I'm gonna use my contour set from e.l.f. and this is from Obsession Cosmetics. So now I'm almost done with my makeup. I'm still baking my face. So you bake garunjal chahi jun मैले यो eyes को माथि लगाएको थिएँ, the same purple, I'm just going to use it at the bottom of my eyes just to give it a more fun vibe. You can see it kind of like brightens up my eyes. It gives you a really nice sultry look. Now moving on, म मेरो यो excess powder लाई सबै remove गरिदिन्छु face बाट. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and almost finish my look with the blush. I'm ending this with this product from Etude House, and I got it from Misumi Cosmetics. So I'm just opening it, and the best thing is it has such a cute little powder puff. I'm going to just take this, and mazali, I'll use this to apply some blush on my face. So I'm almost done. I'm just going to finish up with this look. Paila chahi ma jaile pani I like to use the setting spray and then use my highlighters. I'm just going to take this. And this setting spray is from LA Girl Cosmetics, and it is from Obsession Cosmetics as well. So now I'm going to take my highlight fan brush. My Technique ko Mega Glow ko highlighter use gardechu, and this is from Lavish Me. So I'm just going to use this really nice pearly color, and I'm just going to apply it. Now I'm going to finish up my look with the matte lipstick and the shade 08, and this is from Revival Point. And we're done, and this is such a beautiful color. My dark eyes light, this bright lipstick automatically makes my look very vibrant. So I'm super happy with my look. Now I'm ready to get dressed. I'm wearing sari, kurta, lehenga launchu, and I'm ready to party for the wedding.